Hello and welcome to Lion Link. This is another devlog I am recording. Here is the log and updates. I added die animation and fixed it. Now I can kill enemies by jumping on them. This is not very precise yet. I'm learning. When the player dies, the camera works better. The camera stays still and then the game restarts. So this is what I learned about camera follow and unfollow using remote transform 2D. Remote transform 2D is like adding a child, but you can edit properties by destroying the parent your camera won't destroy. Player code would be like this. Add an remote transform 2D under player, unready var, remote transform 2D, function camera connect, camera path equals vcamera.getPath dot remote path, and disconnect would be empty string like this. In the world script we have camera and player. On function ready we have player.camera connect like we declared above, and it works. Here is accessing and reading and writing to a text file that I learned. You set var file equals file access.open, address file access.read-write, var read equals file.getAsText, file.store string read plus. This creates a file or overwrites it at this address and reads and writes it. This is the checkpoint object that I added to the game. As you can see, I can start here. When I die, I respawn at the start here. But when I capture this flag and then I die, now I respawn at this flag. This is because of the global variable that I created. I'm not sure if this is a standard or not, but it works for now. We have a variables.gd script, a static var, checkpoint enabled and checkx, and to access it unready var variables equals variables. As you can see, we have class name here on this script. Variables.checkx equals vector to position. When you set this variable and restart the scene, of course it saves it and it won't restart. I think because it is static. Or you can directly access it by if variables.new, like this, like here, camera.position when the game starts equals variables.new.checkx. Here is opacity, transparency, alpha change, or whatever I learned. When you say modulate.a equals 0.5, you can make the object transparent by 50%. We have the await function like wait and timer. Await get3.create timer 1.timeout. Await opacity 100 function. Waits 1 second to operate this function, and this function would modulate.a equals 1. This is basically a fast timer. Okay, so this was what I learned so far. Of course, I need to learn more. And thanks for watching.